Okay, so let's start now with our discussion. So, allow me to have screen recording po, no? For my next subject po, no? So, yung screen record lang ko. Sige. First topic natin, no, is yung leadership. Our topic for today, no? And few people know about the importance of leadership and the concept of leadership, the leadership style, and its theories are all very well important, no, in the mass number of social settings. Pwede siya mag-apply into academia or in the corporation or in the organization. So in this topic, we should be able to, or the should be able to distinguish a good leader from the bad leader and define the leadership through the sources of power, no, kay daghan man tag klase nga power, and recognize the gist of the leadership styles, analyze the approaches in the study of the leadership styles, and be able to evaluate and explain the theories and models of the leadership. So, meron po tayong mga 15 slides po dito, no? So, paspasan lang ako na para dito magtag time. Okay, so we have the background dito, no, about the leadership. So, in this part, no, what makes a great leader? According to Magdalena Laskowska, no? According to Magdalena Laskowska class, no, that the great leader is someone who goes beyond, no, the usual way of doing things or performs even the simplest task with excellence. This means that the leader is not afraid to try new ideas, no, and take risks to achieve better results. So a true leader po, no, according sa iya, no, is willing siya to face the challenges, to face the difficulties, even if the task is very hard or unpopular, no, nga mga task. A leader is continues to act for the good of the group, unlike the followers who may hesitate, no? For example, no, so nakita natin dyan sa may, nakita niyo dito ba? Sa presentation, di ba? In in the picture above, no, yung mga yung mga followers niya is gibiran niya iyang boss. Kita niyo, class? No, ginabiran niya ang boss sa mga followers, di ba? So, pangit siya tanaw, no? Okay, if you are a good leader po ng students, no, appeal jud ka no mo workout, appeal jud ka mo bira, no, in your organization. So nga na dapat, no, ang leader dili kay ikaw mura kag kuan, no, mura kag kanang king, no, sit like a king, no, nga igo na lang ka mangdugsugo, kun dili apil jud ka, no, parang servant leadership talaga, no. Sige, wait lang ha, mag background sa gabi, angit pa ng background eh. Okay. So, yun, no? According to Magdalena. So, next. Okay. So, we have the leadership now based on this image. So, nakita nyo na kas, no? Leadership based on the image natin. Okay, so dito po, no, the image shows one person, in front, what color? Red, no? Kanang color white dra class mo na ang ihang mga supporter, no, mao na ang ihang mga followers, no, mao na ang ihang mga subordinates. So, in front on the color red means leading a group of people behind. Now, this represent the leadership, where one individual guides others toward a goal. No? A leader stands out not because the power alone, no, but because of his or her responsibility, the direction, and the influence. And the people behind trust and follow the leader. No, the connection to Magdalena, itong i-connect, no, to Laskowska, like what Magdalena Laskowska said, that the great leader goes behind the ordinary. The red figure shows that someone willing to stand out willing to take risk and lead others, no, even when it is challenging. So nga na jud daw ang leader class, no, willing, no, risky nga tao, no, and kuan siya kanang uh, iyahap mong panindigan, no, ang responsibility, no, direction and influence in others. Okay, so for example, no, may nguntag in a group activity, one student volunteers to lead, no, its group members. Siya po ang mag-organize sa task and help members finish on time, no. The student becomes the red figure in real life. Okay. So the simple idea for this one po, no, in this slide, that the leader, siya ang mag-guide, guides other. Kung istorya kanang rule, paano ka ba, kanang sa to eh, good follower ka, no, maayong sulundan. Kaya nga naman ikaw man ang mag-guide, guides others, and the followers, siya po ang mag-build trust and support sa kanyang leader. And good leadership is courage plus the responsibility equals good leadership. No? Courageous ka nga tao, di ba? And responsibility, no? Ako hindi naman responsibility, leader man ka. Okay. So leadership means standing in front, no? Leaders guiding others, and leaders being willing to take responsibility to achieve the success together. Sama lang anang naghimo mo research, grupo mo, di ba? Naa man jud mag-stands out ana, no, naa man jud mag-leader, siya man jud ang mag-planning, asa man ta magtapok, no, direta sa balay ni kuan. So after that, o sige, ikaw maghimo sa RL, ikaw maghimo sa research gap, ikaw maghimo sa, okay, so siya ang nakakuan ba, no, siya ang nakatask. Then sa leader po na po siya iyang assign nga topic, so iya po nang buhaton, no, para maging role model siya, no, in the group. So dapat kanang kan ka ba, parang you need to guide others talaga, no? You need to influence others. So next, okay, so according to Magdalena Lascosca, no, that the great leaders are very creative, no, and also innovative po siya and passionate, and it sees the potential, no. A leader finds the opportunities even difficult situation. Manang mahimo ang leader class kaya kung even isod mo yung kayo ni, pero makaya namang isulbad, no, so pasabot na na class, potential yung nga na ipagka-leader, no. And mingon ta ha, i-classroom setting lang nato. Now, for example, a teacher turns a lack of materials. Pero, lack of materials, ang teacher, mangita yun siya og pamaagi na maging creative, no? In his class, in his or her class. So, yan na class, no? Dili man, tanan ba nga, maingon tag teacher ta provided ta tanan, no? So, kung kita yun maging creative ta, no? Okay, so maging creative ka. So yan, no? Yan ano, creative, innovative, and passionate. Okay. And kanang innovative naman, no, a leader welcomes new and useful ideas. Innovate siya. For example lang, may tag kung ikaw ang manager, no, a manager uses a new technology to improve work efficiency. For example, traditional ang inyong pamaagi. No, manual pa mo mag bookkeeping. So karon, if you are the manager, if you are the leader, maging innovative ka, pwede na mo i-exclude ang Excel. So sudlan ng Excel by technology. So dapat maging innovative ka. Dili lang leader by kuan lang, no. So no, dapat na kay innovative, creative. And next naman, passionate, no. Kaning passionate class, a leader shows a strong commitment, inspiring others to follow. Kanang ang tao makapangutana sa imo, wala na siya gikapoy. O, di ba? Wala na gikapoy ato ang manager. Ba mo Sobra naman yung mura magkuan. Class, nga na class, pasabot ana. You are passionate in your work. Kada day mga nagtudlo, di ba? Mayroon tayo nagtudlo sa bukid, mga maestra ba? Layo magkay na, di ba? Nakita yung layo kayo. Di ba mo abante yapon sa bukid, no? Tabukon yapon nilang baha. Gabi ka baha, tagaliog na. Pasabot anak class, passionate sila. Passionate sila sa ilang trabaho. No. Okay. So ngayon, no, what is leadership? Okay. What is leadership? So the leadership is the act of guiding and influencing a group, no. It may sound simple, no, but it involves the decision making, it involves responsibility and proper use of power within the organization. Simple kay paminahon, pero pag if you are the leader, it involves the decision making, it involves the accountability, responsibility, authority, ang paso na no, and the proper use of the organization. And the simple idea, no, is leadership is guiding others. Ikaw ba no, decide no sa mga problema, no, decision making nimo. So it means guide yun na nimo. And kung gusto ka mahimong kang great leader, no, you need to be creative, you need to be innovative and passionate. No, nakoy na ko lang na class no, dito na sa DepEd man siguro to. So gamay ra man kay ilang kuan ba ilang eskwelahan, then gamay ra pud ilang budget. So ang technique no sa principal kay siya man ang leader no sa mga maestra. Ang technique niya class, naghimo sila og kanang nagtanom sila og daghan kardaba. No, kay bukid man. Tanom sa siguro mga 5 ka hektarya ang kardaba. Di karon class no, sa 2 ka tuig, 1 ka tuig, nag-harvest na sila sa kardaba. No, katong ROI no, itong return of investment nila sa ilang MOA. Muna to ang ilang gasto. No, muna to ilang kuhaan og mga kuhaan. Sige na class ba? Kay tungod limited ra man imong sources, maging creative ka, maging innovative ka. O di karon wala na sila problema no in the source of kuan nila. Mga gusto nilang mga plano silang eskwelahan, kailangan sila kuha ang budget. So yan class no, great leader ka. Now kay kanang nakay gibilin nga something sa na legacy, ano something legacy. No, kung gusto ka mong great leader. Okay. Something ikaro yun naka-formulate ba? Legacy yun na nimo. So next naman, we have the types of power no. Una is the legitimate power. Muna man tayo, di ba? No. Legitimate power is it comes no from the position of authority. Okay. Example no. Principal. Ingon taog college president, vice president no. So kana siya class, that is legitimate power. No. And the expert power naman, power comes from the knowledge or skills. No. May tag ako, math teacher man ko, no. A math teacher is respected, no, because of the expertise in solving problems. Kani, in math, expert power na ko na. Okay, mao mo jud ako ang expertise. Next naman, referent power, no. Comes from respect and trust and good relationship. Mayroon tag, you are so friendly, no? Okay mo hang pakikipag relationship sa inyong mga classmates. Kung nakita nimo nga okay siya nga tao, no? Maayo siya socialization, no? So pwede ni siya referent power. Kamo ang mag-refer sa iya ba nga to be a leader. Mayroon tag si Jimboy. Jimboy ato ang himo ang leader kay friendly siya nga tao, approachable siya nga tao, na siya potential nga maging leader. So si Jimboy ato ang kuwan. Din si Rica kay sige ra akong istorya. No? Sige no. So yun no. Next naman is Coercive power. The coercive power naman, no? Power comes from fear, punishment, or force. Very convenient no lain kasi no. Coercive, no? Violence, no? And coercion. Violence sa Nicholas no dili raman in kuan ano kanang in kanang in physical, no? Pwede po na in words. Yan kung mamalikas. Yan class coercive power na. Ah, sige magkagkalit. Oh, malikas na. Ah, grabe na no. Mura mag below the belt na ang kuan. Ang mga nga na ang class no, more in punishment, negative. No, coercive power. Ikaw mahadlok po ka kay siyempre. No, manang sayo na lang kagsulod no. Bis dugay kag mata kay basig pamalikasan ka no pag-abot nimo sa trabaho. And that is coercive power. Coercion no. Stricto na siya class no. Wala na siya ginatawag og kanang consideration. Pag malate ka katulo no sa trabahoan, automatically you are sa mana kaning dismiss. No, you are tagaag sanctions, no? Okay, so yun no. And the reward power naman class no. Power comes from giving rewards or incentives. If you are the manager no, you are giving awards to the or to the kuan kanang hard working employees. No? So pag position nga ni that is legitimate. Pag knowledge naman, that is expert power. Relationship, referent na siya, referent. Pag fear naman, mahadlok sila, coercive na siya. Pag rewards, reward leadership, no, lain no. So madalain dahil no, a good leaders know how to use the right type of power, no. The best leader rely more on expert and referent power rather than fear of force, no. Fear or force, no. Pangit ng coercive, no. Siguro mo ging coercive power na class kung di nakakasabot no, medyo superior na imong mga members. Pero kung dili sila superior sa imo, na ay respect sa ila sa imo towards sa imo, ayaw pod no. Kaya na po no, gabi respeto nila sa imo, ay maging coercive ka kuya. Kung mangawa na sila no, di na sila magdugay sa inyong trabahoan. Ayan na po ni. Gabi po ng slide na niya eh. Di man ko na ako naging ng mga slide ba. No? Ako rin naging di ko basa na eh. Kadagkan man eh. Okay. So next is si Kate Dodings. Okay. According to Kate Doding, in the perception of leadership mo na ihanggi mo nga libro, no? It's not easy to define, no? Some leaders may appear good, no, but their success can be influenced by chance or situation, no? Not just their personal qualities. And Dodings explained, no, si Kate nag-explain na, he explained that we should not judge a leader based on only one factor, but consider the several things. Una jud class no, the situation or issues faced, if decisions are appropriate, opinion of higher authorities, public acceptance what people think is right no, if actions are effective and correct. So pag example ani class no, according to Kate Duding no, that the leader may be succeed during a good economic period, but the success might be due to favorable conditions, no, not just leadership skills. No, in a crisis, the same leader may struggle. No, so the simple idea for this one, no, that the leadership is very conflicts and situational daw siya. No? Not all the success is good leadership. Kaya ang success mangod class nakadepende na siya. For example karon last time no, kung ikaw ang leader na successful kay inyo ha, productive kayong organization, karon crisis ba karon no, nagmahal ang gasolina no, so pasabot na baba jud na inyong productivity, baba jud na inyong performance. So ang good leadership class is dili lang na siya sa naay ginatawag na to, nag-base lang pud siya sa economic, no, dili lang sa ano, sa imong good leadership, no. Many factors affect how we judge leaders, no. And the leadership is not just about the threats or action, no. It depends on the context, it depends on the decision, and it depends on how people perceive the leader, no. That is why defining a good leader can be difficult. Kaya na may okay mo ha, you are a leader, no, okay mo performance, pero nag-base na po na sa economic, no, economic growth. Karon no, taas ang inflation rate, no, bisag unsa nimo kanindot nga leadership, good leadership, unsa pa ng mga leader among gi-apply ra class, pwede jud na mababa o mababa jud ang inyong kuan, no. Lisod jud kay motivate ang tao nga mahal ang gasolina, no. Isod kayo sa mga tao pa nag-increase ang sweldo, ang dapat jud karon is increase ang sweldo, no? Not just by motivate by words, di jud na siya magsilbi, i-increase jud ang sweldo, no. Ya kung so mag-increase nga ang mga kuan na to kaning raw materials mahal ba yan, no. So stable gyapon. So yan na class ba. So yun, and that is the perception of leadership. Next naman is the leadership style, nagana eh. Okay. So the leadership style is refers to how the leader manages and guides people, no. According to Benson Jonathan Lenton, there are three common styles, no. Una, autocratic, no, leadership. Ano yung autocratic? I-take note niyo ha, kay basig maaga sa exam ba. Autocratic leadership, that is a kind of leader na parang dictatorial, no? Dictate ba? No, dictator ba? No. The leader makes all decisions alone. Unsa man eh? Kung sa political daan eh, unsa man nga nasod nga dictatorial, siya rin tanan alone. Autocratic, siya rin tanan decision, walay laing decision, siya ra jud. Unsa nga nasod class? Okay. North Korea, no? So North Korea is a kind of leader nga autocratic. Tanang decision class iyaha tanan, no, walay mulabaw sa ako di tanan, no. Palupad na siya bomba dito sa may South Korea, naga-practice ba siya nuclear, no. Iyaha na ang decision, no, walay ma-blame ana, no. That is autocratic leadership, no. Okay. And democratic leadership naman, the members are involved in the decision making, no. And it best for no teamwork and creativity. And the weakness for this is can cause no confusion or slow decision. Ang kanindot po sa autocratic class, no, ang na siya advantage, no. Ang advantage po na is mga emergency or mga stressful situation, siya jud ta mag-decide, walay lain. Pero ang weakness niya, no, is ang members have no say. No say jud. Ayun po, no, yahat di ko yung kakasuggest. Ang democratic, ang okay na yan, okay, maka-create siya og teamwork, no, creativity. Pero ang weakness ni democratic class, slow. Very slow, no, in the decision making. Oh, tanawa karon, oh, democratic ba yata, no, country. 'Di ba nag-decide si Bongbong Marcos nga kuha ng excise tax. Karon, kay kuha man ng excise tax, natuman dayon? Wala, dugay pa, no, muagi pa og muagi pa sa kuan ba, muagi pa sa sa House of Representative, no. After that, muagi na po na og sa senador. Slow kayo class, no, slow kayo. That is why class, no, Andres, sa tuang pamalaod, early sila mag-decide, no, sa mga budget. Okay, nga naman para pag abot og January ana, nag-budgeting na sila, no, sa budget for 2026. December ma-approve, so 2027 ma-execute, ma-implement. So that's why class no, in the democratic leadership, very slow ang decision making. Taas mo ng process. Okay, time consuming. Next naman is okay, next slide din. Next slide. Okay, in the next slide no, the laissez-faire no leadership. Common third type no. The leader gives freedom no to members to decide. Muna yung laissez-faire class. Ang mga members niya tagaan nila o tagaan nimo og kuan authority to decide. Parang democratic siya no. Pero in the laissez-faire no, the leader gives freedom to members to decide no. And best for this is mga skilled and independent teams no. Pero ang weakness sa laissez-faire class is lack of direction. May tag ka ng example lang ha. If you are the leader, you need to let the members divide the task on their own. Muna tayo task. Karon, aka mo ni bahala ani mag-divide. That is laissez-faire. No? Pero makawala na siya og direction. Lack of direction siya. Okay, so in the simple idea no, pag maingon ta og autocratic, leaders decide on their own. Democratic, groups ang mag-decide. Teamwork, na yung mga teamwork, teams, no. Laissez-faire gani class, ang mismong member ang mag-decide. Democratic, you have the freedom pero naamam mo team good. Botohan ni siya ba? No, muuyon mo sa kadaghanan. Sa man si Gisami nga mo gawas ang naong taon-taon mo wala na pud. Sibat-sibat guro na yung taan eh. Okay, next. Wala na ko ng camera ng uban ha. Mag-kick out ko ni be. Hindi mag-on ng camera pang-kick out na eh. Di ba na interesado mo musunod sa klase. Okay, so approaches to the study of leadership styles. Okay, number 1 no, threats approach no. So it focuses on the inborn qualities no of a leader no, the personality, the values and behavior. So the leaders are studied based on who they are no, and looks at traits like confidence, intelligence and honesty. And a confident and responsible student, a confident and responsible students are naturally becomes a group leader. Threats approach mangod class. You have the potential to be a leader. Okay? Na you are confident to be a leader. No. Nga naman confident ka because taas ka intelligent and you are honest person. Diba? Kung makita ng mga tao nga kung siya honest siya, confident, taas pug intellectual, intelligent, so why not? No, siya itong himong leader. Kitang mga slow, adre ratas kilid-kilid, no? Kahoy-kahoy rata. Diba? And the criticism approach naman, no, says that leadership is too complex or fully explained, no? Because it has many factors. The leadership is hard to study because it changes depending on the situation. And some conclusion may be too general or rush. Kaning criticism approach ka anak class to. Ang example ana, a leader may succeed in one situation but fail in another, no. Showing leadership is not always predictable. Criticism approach mangod. Dili bitaw makiingon no nga the same lang ang mga problems, the same lang ang mga challenges. No, nakadepende siya sa situation. That is criticism approach kanang the leadership is hard to study because it changes depending on its situation. Too complex siya, no, to fully explain. Okay, so Yun, in the short term, no, pag laissez-faire gani, na freedom to the members, no. Threats naman focuses on the personality. Okay, personality nimo, bright ka, you are confident, you are honest, so pwede ka maging leader, no. Ang kaning criticism naman, leadership is very complex, no, kaya nakadepende siya sa situation, no. Sa maragod anang kuan, mingon taog ML, no, tama ng ML, di ba, kung isa ng kuan kanang sa ML ka, di ba naman may leader ana, team captain ba na, tama ba? Team captain may tawag ana, no, kung ikaw ang leader, no. So class, kung nidaog mo ana no nga play, in the next play ana class, di mo kadaog ana kay tungod dili man predictable ang mga lihok sa inyong kalaban, and that is criticism. Kung nadaog man mo ana tungod sa imong team play, imong pagka team captain ana, and the next play ninyo mapildi mo kay tungod dili man ka pareha og situation, no. Kung bala kay mo dula ang inyong kalaban kanay nga situation, in the next game niyo hawd na pud kay sila. Okay, so yun, criticism approach yan. Okay, very complex siya, unpredictable. Okay, next, the behavioral approach naman, no, it focuses on the action and behavior of a leader, not just threats, no. Studies what leaders do, for example lang communication in the decision making, no, broader than threats because it includes learned behavior. Kaning behavioral approach, pag maingon ta example na class, is kanang a leader, no, who listens, who guides and support members to show effective leadership behavior. Kanang willing ka maminaw sa members nimo, willing ka maminaw, willing ka mo guide, willing ka mo support sa member. That is behavioral approach. Behavior man ani mo. Lay mo tong threats. Ang threats manggod nga approach is nakitaan lang kag nakitaan lang kag potential ba. Kay tungod intelligent ka, tungod kay honest ka. Kaning behavioral class, more in behavior ni willing na kay willingly, no, willing ka maminaw, no, willing ka mo guide, ano ba? Passionate ka, no. Next naman, situational approach. Kaning situational approach, the leaders depends on the situation or the environment. No single best style. The leaders must adjust based on the situation. No. For example, no, a leader becomes strict during emergency but relax during normal task. Okay, situational approach. Imo ang pagka-leader ng class nakadepende sa situation. Kung ang situation na to, no, sa isa ka organization is naata ginatawag emergency, no, pag emergency in time of crisis na emergency, medyo kwadyo ka strict ka dra, no, kay time is gold man na. So kung normal lang, lahi na po ni mga leader pagka leadership nimo. So situational man siya, no, situational approach. Kung imong mga trabahante pod medyo gahig ulo, basig pwede po ka mag-coercive, no. Kung imong trabahante mga butan ngano mag-coercive man ka di ba, mabutan man sila. So yun, no, situational. Next naman, the fielder's contingency approach, no, developed by Fred Fiedler. There is no perfect leadership style. Success depends on the leadership style and the success depends on the situational control. Okay, contingency approach yan, no. Nakadepende ang success sa leadership style ng mga leaders and nakadepende sa situational control, no. Okay. Next naman is the leader-member relation. So in this part, focuses on the relationship between leader and members, no. Good relationship is naay ginatawag nato og better teamwork and performance. Trust and respect are very important. Kanin sa last diri on leader-member relation. So, you are having a kanang good relationship, teamwork and performance, no. And trust and respect, no, are very important for this one, no, sa leader-member relation. A leader who builds a strong leadership with members gains cooperation and loyalty. So friendly ka nga tao, no, diri sa last one, no. Okay, kung friendly ka nga tao, friendly ka nga leader, syempre it creates good cooperation and loyalty. Trust, no? Kaya nga naman, friend man to sir, no? Wala yung problema na, friend man to sir, no? So, makakreate siya og trust and loyalty, no? So, sa behavioral, no? Atong isa-isa, no? Katong behavioral, what leaders do. Situational naman, depends on the context. Nakadepende siya sa situational. And contingency, walay best style. Pero ang success nakadepende siya sa imong leadership and nakadepende siya sa situational. And the leader member naman, relationship matters. Okay, the leadership is influenced by behavior, situation, and relationship. A good leader adapts, build trust, and responds effectively to different conditions. Ako na nang gikuha, no? Di, ako nang gi-shorten, taas kay basahon na to ni. Okay. The key factor in the Friedler's contingency model, no? So una, task structure. So the task structure naman refers to how clear and organized the task. Nga naman, pag miingon tag clear task class, mas easier to manage. Pag unclear task, more challenging. So that is why there is a task structure. Ang example ana, no, you need to make a step by step, no, problem solving, no, to clear task, no, and easier to lead then and big you the research project or sa bana nga mga panra, no. So task structure gani dapat maging clear task ka, no, mas dali siya masabdan, no, procedural, no, para dali siya, no, task structure. Unclear task, di, more challenging para sa mga subordinate nimo. Next naman, the leader position power. It refers to the authority of the leader, no, over members. And the strong power is mas more ang control nimo. For example, mga rewards, no, mga hiring, and weak power naman, limited control. Next. So, man the evaluation, no, of evaluation of Hilder's contingency model, no. It explained that the leadership is very situational and complex. Pero naa siya limitation, no. And in this sa kaning iyang gibutang rekas, no, is too general or fixed, no. Limited example and hard to apply in all situation. So kaning iyang evaluation diri is lisod daw ang maging kuan kay very complex man siya, to general siya, unlimited example. And in the simple idea for this one, no, so man kaning diri kanang kang Fielder's contingency model is very helpful siya but not always perfect in real life situation. And the three-dimensional leadership model naman, no, developed by Professor Bell Pedance on invention, no, kani siya is focuses on the effectiveness of leadership style. It suggests that the leaders must adjust based on the situational demands. For example, no, if you are the leader, no, a leader changes style or strict ba, pwede ka maging strict, pwede ka maging flexible, no, depending on the needs of the team. So, in a simple idea for this slide, no, is katong task structure is the clarity of the work. Kung ginaingon ako, dapat clear ang imong work ng task structure. Position power naman, authority of the leader. Kung ano yung authority na binigay ng top management, that is your power, no, authority. Contingency model naman depends on the situation. 3D model, effective siya depends on the adaptability. And the leadership effectiveness depends on the situation, the clarity of task, the leader authority, and the good leaders adapts and responds to different conditions to achieve the best results. So kaning slide no, it's all about situational siya. If you are leader class, kung dali ka maka-adjust ba, you are flexible. Dili wa mo ta ginaingon og one time solution. Kani good nga solution is applicable siya sa lahat ng problems. Dili. Ang itong mga decision making class, situational siya. No, kung mahimo mo manager pohon, ay muhang decision making. Dili pwede nga maybe kanang general ka ba. Pangit. No, situational yun ang mga decision making. Okay. So, muna no, by its concept no. Next slide. The importance of the three axes in the model no. According to Bell Reeden, that the leadership effectiveness is based on the three factors. Kung sa mga factors, una, task orientation, relationship orientation, effectiveness. Task orientation ang pasabot ana no, focus on the achieving goals. No? So naka-focus na siya sa kaning goals ng organization. Relationship orientation naman, the connection with the members. Effectiveness, how successful the leader is over time. Tama po no? 3D leadership model. Task orientation. So, taas kang vision. If you are leader class, naka-focus you ka sa vision. That's the task orientation. Relationship, no, dili baya no maging productive, dili baya maging successful ang isa ka organization without the relationship, without the connection of your member. Then kaning effectiveness, yung sa ano mo pagdala no sa imong organization, yun sa imong na pag-handle sa mga decision making, and yun maging success yun no. That is 3 axes in the model. Okay, sunod naman is leadership theory. So, kinsa man nag-develop no? Developed by Hersey and Ken Blanchard, no? Leadership is not fixed. No perfect style, according sa iyaha. No? And the leaders must adapt based on the situation and people. Tama yun. Balance between task, focus, and relationship is very important. So, ato na yung isa-isa no, in the simple idea no. Katong 3D model, kailangan ni mong task, relationship, and effectiveness. No? Situational leadership naman, adapt your style based on the situation. Balik naman. Next. Path goal theory, no? So, mga theory din eh. Okay, so developed by Robert House. It focuses on how leaders help members to achieve the goals. The leaders guide, support, and motivate their team. It's all about relationship, no? Success depends on how the leaders clears the path for the members. And with Johan Antonakis naman, this is also linked to the instrumental leadership, which focuses sa achieving goal, no? Sa man eh? Sa example dre. Leadership by path goal theory. Ano to? Okay, ako the evaluation criticism no, there's a path goal theory evaluation no. According to Peter Guy no, Northhouse, lack of strong evidence and testing relies too much on the assumption the relationship between leader and member is not clearly explained, and that is evaluation criticism. The path goal theory is shows that the leader should guide and support their team para ma-achieve ang goal, no? However, naa siya limitation because it is not strongly supported by enough research. So, may daghan naman mga teorya rin, no? Okay, so yun. Next naman, an integrative model of leadership. Daghan man yung mga kwadre ay. So, kaning sa integrative model of leadership, proposed ni Goretz, Matz, and Birend, no, based on ideas from Gary Yoke, no. This model combines the task performance and relationship. So silang kaning ilang gi-propose diri integrative model of leadership. Focus lang ni siya sa task and performance and relationship. For example, kaning task-oriented action, no, focuses on the completing goals, improving understanding, mainguntag mga clear instruction, strengthen the motivation, no, encourage the members, guides the application, no, help in doing tasks. And relationship naman, duha ba yan, no, task performance and relationship. In the relationship oriented action, focus na siya sa mga teamwork nato, no. Focus na siya sa teams, no, in the organization. Encourage planning mga strategy, promote collaboration, provide support resources. So kaning diri nga slide ka sa integrative model leadership class, focus ra yun na siya sa success and the task success and relationship. And the integrative model leader or model shows that leadership is not just only about achieving goals, but also creating, building teamwork. It improves on earlier theories by explaining how actions and relationship work together to achieve the success. So next slide, no, take on the slide nga ko. Graphical presentation, no, sa integrative model of leaders. Right lang. Okay. So the image shows two main parts of the leadership. Una is task-oriented and relations-oriented. Duha yun is lang, no, sa integrative model. Nag-ingon ako, duha lang siya. Task-oriented, relations-oriented. Ang task-oriented class is naka-focus ni siya sa goals, no? Organizational goals ni siya. Then kaning relations oriented, naka-focus ni sa imong relationship didto sa imong mga subordinate. Okay, muna ang task oriented, it means enhancing understanding, no. Enhancing understanding gani, you are making task clearly. Inapasabot nimo ang imong mga members ba clearly. Walay pagduha-duha, no, walay doubtfulness. Strengthening motivation, no. Strengthening motivation, syempre, you are encouraging your member. No, rewards, depende na sa mga tagbagang mga rewards, incentives. Facilitating implementation, no. That is helping completing the task. Diba? Na po siya arrow, no? Naka-arrow na po siya into relations-oriented. So, kaning relations-oriented, activating resources, pasabot ana, providing support, no? Providing tools. Promoting cooperation naman, it means encouraging teamwork, fostering coordination, organizing group efforts. So in this part, no, the model shows that the good leader must balance, no, achieving goals and building strong teamwork. Tama man jud. No, kung gusto nimo mahimong maging successful ang organization class. Okay. Pala mo ako. Kapit na day. No? Focus you can, no, sa task-oriented. Task-oriented, it's all about the goal, no, of the organization. Relations naman, your relationship with your subordinates, with your follower. Okay, kung without the relationship class mo, focus lang ka sa task-oriented class, dili gyapon makabot nimo ang inyong target and goal sa inyong organization. So, it must be balanced. No, 50% sa task-oriented, 50% sa relations-oriented. Okay. And integrative model process of leadership. Sa nanay. Okay. The proposed by Everly Johnson, Noe Hernandez, and Bruce Abolio, kaning about sa integrative model process. This model explains that the leadership is very complex and hard to define. So instead of giving one definition, it focuses on the key elements and the processes of the leadership. So the key idea for the model, no, it uses the two-dimensional framework like mayroon taog nouns and verb, no. Focuses on the leaders and followers. Kinsa man na sila, who leaders and who the followers. And the action and process, what they do. So it means, kung ato na i-formulate, leadership is both people and the action, no. So example no diri sa nga slide, no. A leader or the person gives instruction, motivates and communicates. That is the action. The leadership happens through this interaction, not just the title. So if you are the leader who is involved plus what they do, and dapat dynamic and changing, not fixed. So the integrative model process naga shows siya nga that the leadership is not just one definition. No? So naa siya combination sa people action, sa people interaction that continuously evolve in different situation. And that would be all for today. No? That would be all for my topics. Okay. Stop.